Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I did this super glam, super glowy, super extra makeup routine. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to see how I got this look, then please just keep watching. Thanks. Okay, so before I get started, I'm in a new room filming because my microphone doesn't work in my bedroom. It only works in this room. And I know that sounds crazy, but I've done like research and things like that, and it like depends on where you are if your microphone is going to work or not. So I'm in this empty room, literally there's nothing else in here, it's just me. So I'm sorry if I sound really echoey, and like the camera's pretty far away. So if I sound far away, if I sound echoey, I'm so sorry. And plus the window's open because I don't have a fan in this room, and I live right next to a street. So there may or may not be background noise anyway in the audio. So I'm gonna get started on my brows, and I'm gonna use the Brow Benefit Brow product. I've used this so many times, it's my favorite brow product. Okay, next I'm just going to be using some concealer to clean up the brows, make them look more even and clean, and I'm also going to use the concealer to prime my eyes for eyeshadow. We're going to move on to the eyes, and I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. And just to set down our concealer, I'm going to be taking just this white shade here, and I'm just going to pat it all over just to set down that concealer so nothing creases later on in the day. So I think I'm going to go for like a brown, yeah, like a dark brown smoky eye. So let's start with raw sienna. And I'm gonna put that lightly in the crease, but focusing it mainly on the outer V. Next, I think I'm going to take the color Warm Taupe, just on the same brush, and I'm going to kind of deepen the crease a little bit more. I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush and just blend everything together and blend everything out and up as well. And then on the lid, I think I'm going to take Primavera just here, and just stamp it on. I'm just going to go back in with that color Raw Sienna just to kind of blend the gold and the browns together. Okay, so I have a new product. I got the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner that I'm going to use for eyeliner today. I'm so excited to try this out. I've never tried any of the Fenty products before, but I also bought the red lipstick that I'm like freaking out over. Like, I want to try it so bad. Okay, so I am obsessed with the eyeliner. I love it. What I don't love is that my neighbors literally have the loudest cars in the entire world. They've like decided to wash them right now. And like they will come outside, get in their cars and like rearrange them and then go back inside. So I hope you guys can't hear all the ruckus outside, because I can. I think we'll put on eyelashes last. I'm going to prime using the Bobbi Brown Primer Plus Radiance. The neighbors outside are like power washing like an engine or like something stupid. Okay, so for foundation, I'm going to use the Becca Ultimate Coverage Foundation. I haven't used this one in a while. I'm just going to pump it onto the back of my hand and then go in with the brush first, and then I'm going to go over it with my Beauty Blender. Just gonna conceal under the eyes a little bit. So I'm gonna set under the eyes. I'm gonna bake under there just using the Hourglass translucent powder. Okay, so while that's sitting there, I'm going to contour really quickly using the Benefit Do the Hoola liquid bronzer. And I'm just going to take that on a really small brush. Just on the perimeters of the face, and then we'll bronze it up again with powder later on. I'm going to wipe away that bake that's underneath the eyes, and I'm going to contour the nose. So I'm going to set the rest of my face using the Hourglass translucent powder, but I'm not really going to bake or anything under there. I'm just going to pat it on and then wipe it away. I'm going to use the Shade and Light palette from Kat Von D, and I'm going to be mixing these two shades here to go over our liquid bronzer. This is just going to set that in place and then bring back more color to our face. So to kind of brighten the under eye, I'm going to take these two shades in the palette, they're almost gone, just on my Beauty Blender, and I'm just going to push it underneath my eyes. Let's go ahead and highlight probably. So I'm going to use the NYX Away We Glow Liquid Booster in the shade Glazed Donuts. And I'll pop that on here and quickly blend it out. Jay, be quiet! This stuff dries down so fast, so like you gotta get on it. So, did I mess up my camera? Okay. But it's not microphone issues, it's other issues. I mean, what else could we do? So, I guess let's set that highlight with some powder highlight. I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Palette, and I'm going to take the shade Crushed Pearl. Okay, so I'm gonna finish the under eyes, and I think I'm just gonna take raw sienna and just smoke out the lower lash line. And then what I always think transforms a look is eyelashes and what is this? Eyeliner in the waterline, the lower waterline. For blush, I'm taking my new favorite blush. It's the Milani Baked Powder Blush in the color Luminoso. Why do I have eyeliner all over my hands? I'm going to put on some mascara really quickly, and then we're going to move on to the lips. Okay, so I put on some mascara, some eyelashes. Oh. And I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty lipstick in the color Uncensored. I'm so excited for this. I don't have lip liner, so we're just gonna see where this goes. Okay, and that's why you need lip liner. Alright guys, so that's the finished look. Are you obsessed with the highlighter? Because I am, and the lips as well, like the most perfect red ever. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.